Welcome to Jodoo. Let's meet our order and inventory solution. An intelligent system that reveals your real profit in real time. From stockouts to sold out, in one ready-to-run suite. Streamline your entire order-to-cash cycle. Build a seamless sales and fulfillment process, from quote to payment. Connect all your sales channels into one system. Automate order processing. Auto-generate printable contracts for each purchase. Give your sales team real-time stock visibility so they never sell what you don't have. Master your warehouse with real-time dynamic control. Eliminate stockouts and overstocking with real-time stock levels and accurate inventory data. Track every item with the mobile app scanner or PDA, from receiving to shipping. Build custom workflows for cycle counts, transfers, and quality checks that fit your exact needs. Make smarter, data-driven purchasing decisions. Automate purchase requisitions based on low stock alerts. Automatically create new POs with built-in approval flows. Gain clear financial insight into your operations. Control costs and see your profitability by product, channel, and customer at a glance. Get a complete, accurate financial picture of your inventory operations. Jodoo offers even more power. Centralized product management, automated purchasing, data-driven decisions, accurate inventory counts, efficient warehouse operations, precise cost control, unified commerce, professional documentation. All in one powerful, integrated suite. Ready to transform your inventory operations? Contact our sales team today. Begin your journey to smarter inventory management.